Still write bigger. Wall the board to yourself. It's all yours.
Sir, it was D1, D2.
R1, R2, L1, L2. No? R1 is the initial repo rate, R2 is the final repo rate, L1, L2. Okay, do it your way. Do it your way. Sorry.
So he mentioned that the deposits in the economy grew by 13% in the last year, and the demand for funds grew by 15% per annum in the last year. So ideally, when the demand for funds is growing more than the supply of funds, so rate of interest being the price of funds, shouldn't it be rising? I mean, so my argument was that since this 15% was the growth in the, the growth of loans. So this is ideally the demand. This is the demand for funds in the economy, and this 13% is the increase in deposits. So this is actually the supply of funds.